have healthy green strawberry plants, I use the method of growing small strawberry shoots. First, I use chopped tomatoes and mix them well with soil. Tomatoes will provide the best nutrients for strawberry shoots. After mixing the soil and tomatoes evenly, I put them in each fabric bag and watered the strawberry shoots evenly. It will give us surprising results. During the days waiting for the mulberry shoots to take root and grow well, we collect materials such as 5-liter plastic bottles for planting. We cut the 5-liter plastic bottle in half, use the top half to plant the plant, and the bottom half to store water for automatic watering of the plant. We need to punch holes in the top of the bottle to drain water to prevent waterlogging of the strawberries, and insert a towel to absorb water, so that the towel can automatically supply water to the strawberries. is used to hold water, so we need to punch holes to add more water more conveniently. The towel we use should be long enough to absorb water from the water reservoir to the plant. When putting soil into the planting bottle, we need to pay attention to let the towel soak up half of the soil to provide good water for the plant. After 7 days, we have healthy mulberry plants, and now we can start planting. 15 days old strawberries are already green and lush. And this stage is very important because the strawberries have flowered. Strawberries need a good metabolism to grow and bear fruit. This stage needs a lot of nutrients to nourish the plant, helping it grow and bloom better. So I use ground coffee to fertilize the plant. You will be surprised. To rehydrate the plants this time, I used organic liquid fertilizer made from sea fish mixed with clean water, replenishing each water-containing part of the plant. When the tree is 1 month old, it is green and has many flowers. We need to fertilize it to help stimulate flowers, and the tree is stronger when it bears fruit. To stimulate good flowering and fruiting, I use ginger mixed with clean water and spray it evenly on the tree to help the tree produce fruit and prevent pests better. In addition, we also have to add more water to help the tree maintain stable humidity. It's amazing that the 2-month-old strawberry plant has given me a lot of ripe, big, and beautiful fruits. And now we just need to harvest to give our family and loved ones delicious strawberries. Thank you for visiting my video. Have a nice day.